Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 game error invalid gaming service detected while playing the game. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for the fixes, just go through the methods discussed in this video. So the very first thing what you have to do is to update your gaming services. So what you need to do is just go to the search option. After that, here you have to search for settings, and after that here you have to click on installed apps or apps section. After that, click on installed apps, and here you have to search for gaming services. So search for gaming services. After that, here you have to click on three dot icon, then click on advanced option, and after that here you have to check the version. So if the version is 36 or whatever the mention over here, if this is mentioned over here, well and good, but if the version is lower than the mentioned over here, then you are suggested to update your gaming services, and after that launch the game and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next method is to use game service repair tool or gaming service repair tool. So for that I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser or simply go through the link. So once the repair finishes, you have to restart your PC, and after that check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that you have to go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. You have to wait for some time. After that, launch the game and check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. After doing this, you have to restart your PC once. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, and after that click on restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch the game and check if the error you are coming across is fixed or not. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to contact the Forza Horizon 6 support for help, or simply go to the Xbox support team. So whatever the issue you are coming across, you can submit a ticket to the support team and wait for some time for their response. Hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end, and you will be able to play the game once again without the error. So using these methods, you can easily resolve invalid gaming service detected error on Forza Horizon 6 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.